Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by forcing the shell to refresh. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, find Explorer. EXE, right-click and choose Restart. If Explorer isn't listed, use File, Run New Task and type Explorer. EXE. Once done, open Settings Personalization taskbar to ensure the taskbar isn't set to auto-hide and that taskbar behaviors show it on the correct display. You're doing this first because it quickly restores the UI without deeper changes. Next, you verify display and session issues that commonly hide the taskbar. Go to Settings System Display and confirm your main display is correctly assigned. Move the taskbar to the primary screen if needed. Sign out or switch users to clear profile glitches, then sign back in. Also make sure tablet mode is off and scale is 100% or recommended. Odd scaling or virtual desktops can place the taskbar off-screen, so correcting these restores expected behavior. For final recovery, run an elevated command prompt and execute sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files that might hide the taskbar. If that fails, create a new local user to determine whether the problem is profile-specific. If the new account shows the taskbar, migrate your data. Finally, if the issue started after an update, use System Restore to roll back. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.